The new 2025 Kia Carnival Hybrid just came out. Brand new. Quality Kia of Greenwood. Look at the interior. In one side and out the next. Seat will slide all the way to the back. The back seats will come on down. Or these seats can be fully removed. Put a whole sheet of plywood in there. Got the power doors on both sides. Safety locks, you can turn them on, turn them off. Got the upgraded wheels. Hybrid. Miles per gallon. Plenty. 33, 34, 35. Look at that room. Look at that beautiful interior. This outside is called the Ivory. 34 miles to the gallon. Digital full dash